Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see about geography lesson exploring continent Africa, Australia and Antarctica. Introduction. A teacher handling class 8th standard entered the classroom and they asked the students what they are talking about. The class monitor told the teacher that the students were talking about the ODI league match between Australia and South Africa. The teacher said to the students, today we will learn many things about them in this lesson. First one you see Africa. Location and size. Africa is the second largest and second most populous continent after Asia. Africa is located in all the four hemispheres. Africa is nicknamed as the mother continent as it was the oldest inhabited continent on earth. Next one you see drainage of Africa. First one, River Nile. The Nile is the longest river in the world, which a length of 6,650 km. Nile is known as the father of African rivers. Second one you see River Congo. Congo is the second largest river of Africa after Nile. Its length is about 4,700 kilometers. Third one you see River Niger. Niger is one of the major rivers in West Africa and rises from the highlands of Ghana. It flows for about 4,184 km. Fourth one, River Zambezi. The Zambezi River is the fourth longest in Africa. It is about 2,574 km long and drains into the Indian Ocean. It is called the Southern Africa's River of Life. Next one you see flora and fauna. African vegetation develops in direct response to the interacting effect of rainfall, temperature, topography and type of soil. Forests cover about 20% of the total land area of the continent. Next one you see agriculture. Agriculture is a major economic activity of the African continent. Next one you see minerals. Africa is rich in few mineral deposits. Such Africa is the most producers of diamond. Transport in Africa. Landways. Second one waterways. Third one airways. Next one you see Australia. Australia is the largest island and smallest continent in the world. Next one you see physical divisions. It is the continent which very low irregularities in topography. Based on the nature of topography, it can be divided into three physical divisions, namely the Great Western Plateau, second one the Central Lowlands, third one the Eastern Highlands. Next one you see the Great Artesian Basin. The Artesian basins are regions on the earth's surface where water gushes out like a fountain. The Great Artesian Basin in Australia is the largest and deepest basin in the world. Next one you see Great Barrier Reef. Great Barrier Reef is located in the northeast of Australia along the east coast of Queensland in the Pacific Ocean. It is formed by the tiny coral polyps. It is about 2,300 kilometers long. It is one of the natural wonders of the world. Next one, economic activities. Agriculture, forestry, fishing, mining, manufacturing, trade and services are the major economic activities of Australia. Next you see mineral resources. Mineral are the largest export item of Australia. Australia is the world's leading producers of bauxite, lime note, etc. Next one you see Antarctica. Antarctica is the southernmost and fifth largest continent in the world, which divides the entire continent into two halves, West Antarctica and East Antarctica. Thank you students for a patient listening. Let's see a new class on next week. Thank you.